Good morning, and let's tell you about the top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, we begin with the auto companies. Across the board, they're going to be in focus on the back of expectations of the March 21 auto sales numbers come tomorrow. Now, by and large, the demand momentum could be sustained across all segments. We're expecting that the inventory will be a little bit lower than normal for passenger vehicles as well as for tractors, and this is largely on account of the strong demand. M&HCV demand is likely to grow quite smartly on a sequential basis, that's quarter on quarter. For the two-wheeler space, well, we could see some slowness in demand, further impacted largely on account of the fuel price revision that has taken place. Now, do remember the impact of COVID from March 2020 on a year-on-year basis. The comparison, it's not directly comparable, but nonetheless, we'll be watching out for the numbers. Maruti is expected to come in at 1.7 lakhs units. M&M, the auto sales numbers we're expecting at 35,900 units, which on a month-on-month basis is seen higher by nearly 25% and year-on-year 385%. Escorts 12,258 units, up about 9%. Month-on-month, Tata Motors passenger vehicles is seen up about 10% at 12,500 units. You've got Eicher Motors as well at 5,898 units, up 8%. Ashok Leyland at 14,640 units. Royal Enfield is seen at 75,000 units, up 8%, and Bajaj Auto as well is seen coming in at about 3.7 lakh units. Meantime, SJVN or Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam in focus as the company has been awarded 70 megawatts grid-connected solar power project in the state of Gujarat. As per this LOA, SJVN will be developing 70 megawatt solar power project, including the arrangement of land along with term connectivity with the grid, and the tariff of the electricity supplied is going to be about 2.21 per kWh, and power generated from this project is going to be procured by GAIL for the next 25 years. This is going to help the company with their vision of electricity generation of 5,000 megawatts by 2023. Meantime, NTPC in the limelight. It's going to shut down their Talcher Thermal Power Station today. The plant is at a standstill though since last week due to the non-availability of manpower to the units who are on strike and opposing this closure. The shutdown is because the lifespans of the TTPs, which is a unit of NTPC, expires on the 31st of March as per the CERC. Meantime, NHPC has issued a tender for the EPC contract for the development of a 100 megawatt solar PV grid connected power plant along with associated power evacuation equipment across many villages in Mirzapur in UP. So watch out for this candidate. We've also got GAIL India on CLSA's radar. They maintained a buy with a 170 rupee target price, saying that Tailwinds will support earnings across the business segment. The macro conditions are looking strong and point to strong Q4 numbers, and green shoots in domestic gas production are keeping the transmission outlook upbeat. The stock is at a core PE of 7.1 times. They reiterate their buy.